Yes. What's up guys, welcome back to another classic episode of Parkour Journeys. I bet you're excited, you usually are. If you're here, you know to be excited if you're here regularly. You know, I've had a couple comments now, like a few comments, only two, essentially saying that they don't like this handheld shot that's in the room because it's too wobbly. Well, I personally like it. I think it's a stylistic, trippy sort of choice, kind of fits in with the vibe of Parkour Journeys. But would you prefer me to just set up a static angle like this? I can talk like this, I can do the intros like this. Let's have a little vote down below, because for me, 2 comments isn't really enough for me to just decide that that's exactly what everybody wants. But just let me know down below, is this better? Maybe you prefer this sort of angle. I'm gonna talk now and it's just gonna be boring because we're just not gonna change. I suppose I could. And now we're over here and I have this as the background. Anyway, this is the last episode before Christmas, guys. We're back after the new year with some more classic Parkour Journeys content. Really hope you enjoy this. This is a nice chill one. We basically went out when it was really wet and we wanted to see what we could do. And we actually got so much more done than we might have expected to have been able to do in that kind of weather. Yeah, enjoy, sit back, relax. It is a chill one. That is a super random intro, I am fully aware. I just wanted to try and do that effect, and then I thought I'd put a Christmas hat on, make it a Christmas theme, and there you have it. So let's do Parkour Journey! To be fair, I do prefer the freedom of the arms that I can use to express myself when I'm talking to you. Let's go on with the video now. I'm late for a very important parkour date. So welcome back to another classic episode of Parkour Journeys. As you can see, super wet floor. So we're gonna see what we can do in the wet. Okay, now a lot of people might think, hey, parkour in the wet? No, that's not good. Can't do that, but there's loads to work on. There's loads to work on in the wet, and actually it's nowhere near as dangerous as you might think. So stay tuned and I will show you what is up. There he is, that's my boy. I like to add a little spectrality in there, otherwise people, switch off and then subscribe. Yeah, right. What do you reckon? On point?
I guess so.
One day. Got corona. People away. So I'm not going to keep saying it, but just be aware that everything we do today is wet. I'll let you know if it's dry. Yes. Oh, oh, straight in. Nice. Oi. Oh, nice. Damn it. Damn it. Yeah, healed. As much as it is wet, it's quite, you can still trust quite a lot of it. You can. Yes, nice. Oh no! I landed absolutely fine, could have gone. It's just so scary because it's one of those things where normally if you go from a plyo, from a middle of a wall, it already feels like you might slip, let alone on a wet day. Yeah, that puddle really made it extra wet now, hasn't it? man, Ben. Yeah, man. Are you gonna turn back and do that like a legend? Yes, man. Yeah, man. It's efficient. More efficient if you don't stick it. More efficient. It is. More parkour. More le parkour. Yes. You could have stuck that. Yes. Nice, man. I reckon I can pull it back for the stick, but obviously it's scary as balls. Oh, mate, you're gonna stride it. Yes. Oh, that was it. Way too much. Ah. Help. Nope. Oh, good legs, upper body just threw me over. Fucking hell, that was so nice of a angle stick. It was just heavy because I was so high up. Oh, keep rapping, keep rapping. Yeah! Yeah, come on! Sweet, thanks, Chels. It's one for the history books, mate. Kids. Go on, mute you. You're funny. Ah. I took off that middle one and there was water on it and I felt it go, and then I landed the other one. I was like, oh. There wasn't enough water in the game. We've added, don't fall in the water. Yes, nice. Yeah.
Hopefully not.
Just like that.
Before you do, you with me? Yeah.
Yeah. All right, ready? Yeah. It was the hat.
You know what? I'll tell you very quickly.
Yeah?
When I was your age, yeah.
Oh, you keep it, man.
I'd have fallen in the river.
Did you?
Is that on camera?
Yeah, yeah.
Wicked, yeah?
Yeah, thanks, man.
What else do you climb?
Anything we can get our hands on, to be honest.
Right, okay, yeah. Well, we keep all the old pensioners away then.
Yeah.
That's sweet, isn't it? Cool, shit there. Are you going to go as well?
Oh, I don't think I'll do it though.
Really? You're going, you know you're going straight in.
Yeah.
Going proper straight in. Yeah?
Proper straight in.
Is it as good as you?
Yeah, yeah.
Honestly?
Yeah.
Can I just say, I'm sort of going to walk away.
Yeah, no worries, man. No worries.
Yeah, that did.
Oh! Yes, man.
Hey, that's close. That's cool. I'm not being funny, but if I was being chased, I'd done it.
Yeah. Yes. When I put that guy's hat on, it stank of beer. It was like covered in beer. I'm gonna have to do a de-lice when I get home. Lovely guy though. Can't argue with that. Are you feeling that every time, the wiggle?
Yeah.
So crazy. It feels solid as a rock.
No, it is a rock.
It is a rock. Nice. Our feet are now dry, by the way. I did this one wet, I would say, but the rest of it. Oh, yes, man. He doesn't give a shit about the wobbly pole. I'll have to wait 10 minutes to dry my feet now. That felt great, actually. That was so... Dude, you'll get that. That's way easier than the standing. Crazy, that looked massive. Thank you. Yes. Yes! Oh no! Yeah, man. Do you reckon we could do it from like...
Nice.
Yeah. Oh, great cat leap. Just did that and went proper surfing USA. Did you stick fine on the next one?
Yeah, I landed on boards my feet, so.
I slipped on that the first time, so that was a lot to do that. Yeah, nice. That was way smooth, man. Oh yeah, that's better. Do it like that.
Do like that.
Yeah. I proper overpowered that last time. Yes, mate. Oh, that immediately makes your foot wet. Oh, that gives you, it trampolines you up. I wasn't expecting it. I could have just gone straight through. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
That feels really nice.
Yeah.
It's a proper like, that's a proper you can't swing your arms bullshit. Yeah, man. Nice tech.
Yeah. Yes.
No way. Oh, what? No way.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Nice.
Yeah, absolutely gonzo. That was the last jump I had in me, I think. Time to stretch off, call it a day. And actually, been really good day. Never just put off training if you think it's wet, because there's some good bits probably wherever you are. It's not worth, it's really worth just having a look and then chatting shit to a camera when you're out of breath. That's it from us today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this episode. As always, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate everyone who does watch these, especially if you make it to the end. And yeah, a very Merry Christmas to you and a Happy New Year. I'm excited to see you in the new year with some of the new stuff that we got planned, new stuff that we got coming. If you have been with us for some of this year or all of this year, thank you so much for sticking around. Really happy to see you all here. Leave us a comment down below, let me know what you thought, let me know what you're excited for in the new year, let me know what you're up to for Christmas, whatever you want. It's a community section, and you know, we want to have a proper chat, so anything you want down there, I'll reply. I'll make sure I reply to every single person. But yeah, have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I look forward to seeing you next year. Big love.